The little blue dot on your map knows where you are, often within a few meters. And your phone never sent a thing into space to make that happen. It didn't ask anyone. It worked out its own location just by listening. About 20,000 kilometers overhead, roughly 30 satellites are circling the Earth. Each one carries an atomic clock, the most precise kind of clock humans have ever built. And each does one job. It broadcasts the same message over and over. I am here, and the time right now is exactly this. That message goes out to the whole planet at once. The satellite doesn't know you exist, and it never will. This is the part almost everyone gets wrong. GPS satellites don't track you. They only speak, they never listen. Your phone does the work, quietly catching those signals as they rain down from the sky. Here's the trick. The message says what time it left the satellite. Your phone notes what time it arrived. The signal moves at the speed of light, so that tiny delay tells your phone how far away the satellite is. Light travels about 30 centimeters in a billionth of a second, so the timing must be perfect, to the nanosecond. One satellite says you're 20,000 kilometers away. That alone puts you somewhere on a giant sphere around it. A second satellite adds its own sphere. Two spheres cross in a ring, a circle of possible spots. A third satellite cuts that ring down to just 2 points. One point sits out in empty space, obviously wrong. The other one is you. So 3 should be enough except for one catch. Your phone has no atomic clock. Its ordinary clock is off by a hair, and a hair times the speed of light is a huge error. So your phone treats the exact time as a fourth unknown, and a fourth satellite gives it just enough to solve position and time together. Fixing your position from distances like this has a name: trilateration. Not triangulation. There are no angles here, only overlapping spheres. Now the strangest part. Those clocks in orbit don't tick at the same rate as the clocks down here. They move fast, which slows them, and sit in weaker gravity, which speeds them up more. Net, about 38 millionths of a second fast every day. Sounds tiny, but ignore it and your location drifts about 10 kilometers a day. So GPS has Einstein's relativity built right in. So it's all just listening. Satellites shout the time, your phone times the delay, and 4 distances meet at one point, you. Here's the puzzle. Your phone has no atomic clock of its own, so how does it get time accurate to the nanosecond? Tell me in the comments.